Really so.
Oh boy.
Yes.
It is not that funny.
That's not.
When the night has come and the land is dark. When the night has come.
Morning fam, we're here round 4, about to kick it off. Nice Saturday morning. Let's go.
Taking it too easy, but that's the way it is. What you think about that? Now you know how I feel. Say you can.
Things I gotta change ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Things I gotta change ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Things I gotta change ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Things I gotta change ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Things I gotta change ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
Nice. See, you're moving from here. That's all that counts.
Thanks, Jules.
Nice, sus.
Next one is 9 started.
Nice team.
Next one is 8 single squat.
Shot pass.
Hot man. Next one is 7 squats.
Time and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a chick who wanna touch. I said my face bomb, abs tight, racks stuck up, shack height, jury on my back.
Nice kids, nice kids. Good kids.
Mountain climbs.
All we have to do is push up. What's that? There's a push up.
Nice kids, nice kids. Nice team, nice team.
Gotta play it safe, no face, no case. Dancing to the beat, no DJ.
One burpee.
One burpee.
Nice.
Right on team.
Chaparati. One more. One burpee. One more. Yeah. One more.
Nice. Well done. Let's go team. Nice, nice, nice.
Come back.
Nice, nice, nice. Come on, go support team, man. Let's go. Nice team, nice team. Nice team. Crab crawl. Nice, nice. Nice team. Nice.
Shadow run.
Shadow. Come.
Let's go, let's go.
Come here. Just walk. Go.
Nice, nice, nice.
Go.
Nice team, nice team. Nice team.
Follow. Malachi.
Nice team.
Burpees. You get go like this.
Nice.
Usually hot ones. That one? Yeah.
Shot.
La corner.
Nice team. Nice team.
Let's go, girl.
Well done, team. Well done, team. Shoot. Yeah. Malo. Nice team. Yeah, just 4. Yeah, 1. But go team. Bella. Nice Bella. Nice Andy. Shots first. Nice. Nice Andy.
Shotty.
Shot Andy.
Shot, brother.
You got it. Okay. Nice. Nice team. Woohoo! 9. There you go, kids. Hey, get down, bear crook. Come on, David. You can, you got it, bro. You got it. Come on. How did you enjoy it? Huh? Okay, come on. Do a squat. If you're a squat, Eddie, go back and squat. Go. You got it. There you go. See, no. Look, you got to do a, can you do that? Yeah. Or do a squat. Nice kids. There you go. Nice goodies. There you go. Yep.
Go. Wait. Go.
Yeah. Eddie, turn around. Yeah. Nice team. Yep. Eddie, run around. Yeah, the boys. Nice.
Oh, shadow one.
Way to work, ladies. Way to work. Show Vika, you got there, Vika. Nice.
Go.
Way to work, ladies. There you go. Show Vika. You got it, Vika. Yes. Nice. Nice, girls. Show Vika. You got it, Vika. Shut around. Nice team. Nice. Well done, team. Nice. You got it. Nice team. Well done. Nice. Well done, team. Nice, Noah. Good stuff, Noah. Nice, girls. Nice. Way to go, team. Shot. Hey, team. Well done. Nice team. Short team. Nice. Nice boys. Nice boys. There you go, boys. There you go, boys. There you go, boys. There you go, boys. Let's go, boys. Shot, boys. And up. Nice. Up. Well done. Well done, team. Well done, team. There you go. Nice, Josephine. There you go. Well done.
Noah, jog it.
Jump now.
Nice. Finish strong, team.
Do it. Busha. Nice, Tina.
Last one. Take it in.
Nice, team.
Nice, nice. Last one. Right down. Right down, Tina. Down. Tina, your knees down. Yeah, nice. Good girl. Tina, knees down. 5, 6, 7, down. 8.
Nice.
One more. Well done.
Charlie.
And the land is dark. Yeah. And the moon is the only light. What? And the moon is the only light. What? And the moon is the only light. We will see.
When the night
When the night has come.
has come
Night has come and the land is dark. When the night
and the land is dark,
has come and the land is
the
dark.
moon
And the moon is the only
is the only
The moon is the only
light we'll see.
The moon is the only light. We will see.
No, I
No, I won't be afraid.
won't be afraid.
No, I won't be
No,
No, I
I
won't be afraid.
won't be afraid.
No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long
Just as long
as you stand by me.
Just as long as you stand by
And darling, darling, stand by me.
Come on and stand
By me.
just as long as you stand by me.
as long as you stand by me.
If the sky that we look upon
Let me look up on should tumble and fall.
should tumble and fall, all the mountains should crumble to the sea. I won't cry. I won't cry.
Hey, sis.
Hi.
How was training?
I was good. You know, I was. I can see like the improvements of me handling a lot more than I did the first week. The first week was so hard.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. So, how come you joined the challenge?
Because I knew that I needed to get something done. Like I knew that I had to do something about it.
Yep.
And just for my kids as well. Like they can't do it unless they see me doing it, and they're not gonna know how to do it unless I do it for them. So as soon as they see me doing whatever I'm doing, they're gonna try and follow. So I'm just trying to be a good role model for them.
Well said, sis. Cool. And so, what's your why?
I'll see my kids. To be honest, my kids and my family, just setting up a good foundation for them, and yeah.
Awesome. Love the answer, sis. Cool. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Awesome. Hey, sis.
Hello.
How was training?
Tiring but good. Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. So, I just got 2 questions, eh?
Yeah.
All right. So, how come you joined the challenge?
At first it was because my sisters were doing it, and I just wanted to do it with them and support them as well as doing it for myself.
Awesome. Cool. And so, what is your why?
My why is me, firstly, because to be honest, this is the heaviest I've ever been, and I thought it was time to make a change before it gets to the worst. And also doing it for my niece, who is also my goddaughter.
Nice.
I want to spend as much time as I can with her, and also be there for mom and dad, help them out, and yeah, just for myself and my family.
Awesome. Love the answer, sis. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, T.
Hi.
Okay. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Awesome. Okay, you didn't train today because you're a bit ill, but I have 2 questions for you. First question, how come you joined the challenge?
How come I joined the challenge? Was because to get fit, lose weight, and to be here for my sister and my parents.
Awesome. Okay, my second question is, what's your why?
My why is my family, especially my parents, to make them proud and yeah.
Awesome. Good answers, T. Next time you train away, though. Hey, Pass.
Hey, Coach.
How are you?
Oh, good, thanks, Coach.
Yeah, cool, awesome. How was training?
Oh, it's tough, eh?
Yeah?
As always. I love my wife, family, and it's always good pushing and coaching one another.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, Pass, I have 2 questions for you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, cool. Okay, first one is, what makes you join a challenge like this? Like, you know, to give up your time?
It's just family, eh? It's always been the why. Showing up for my loved ones who, their loved ones have been called to heaven, and just being there for one another through and through, eh? That keeps me coming and showing up for the fams and those who need help and support. Coach.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, my second question is, what would be your why? What is your why?
Oh, just for personal health, just so I could be a vessel that still can help others, and also just our wifey, son, our elderly, our kids. It's definitely why now that I have a 4-year-old is just try to make sure I'm healthy, to be a shining light for him too, and all the young bucks, and serve our elders.
Nice.
Coach, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thanks for your time, Pass.
Oh, thanks, Coach. Appreciate you and Leah and Chris and the whole fams. Just yeah, God bless.
Awesome.
Thanks, Coach. Oh, thank you.
Okay, that's week 4 done. It's a wrap. Finished. We're gonna move on to week 5 next week, so stay tuned. Stay blessed.
Oh, nice harmony.